Alright, welcome to Riley's World, Mr. Fix-It. And what do we have today?
Well, this is a follow-up to that diagnostic video we did on a laptop that had artifacting. And last time we were able to determine the memory module that was going bad. And we went and ordered one. So it came in, and now we got to replace it.
Okay, so question for you, but I know you showed that, but how do we know which chip is actually bored from the video to this? Do you have some way of telling which chip is the identifying location of it?
Yes, so we did with the testing software. We had a large number of errors on D1 or D0. I'm sorry, I think it was It was D0. The way NVIDIA labels the memory banks is there's a letter and a number assigned for each module. They're grouped in pairs. With the NVIDIA text right side up, they start in the bottom right with the A bank, and it goes 1, then 0. That would be the last one. D0 is the 8th module.
Alright, let's get to it.
NVIDIA text right side up. A, B, C, and D, and D1, D0.
Okay.
So I've masked everything else off that could be damaged because this might take a bit of heat. We're going to have our hot air station at max temp and max airflow. I'll put a little bit of flux around the chip first.
And he did install Kapton tape around it this time so you don't bump any components. I'm going to get heated up. Smart move. A little bit of alcohol.
Q-tip.
100% alcohol.
99%.
So that's the new chip right there.
Yep, and it's already got the balls applied.
And looks perfect. And we'll test it out. Alright. Are the repair guys going to put it back together and show us some magic today?
Yep.
Alright, so I see you got it reassembled. Our power spec.
Plugged back in.
RTX card. Okay, so 90% chance, right? Oh, colors. What do we have here? Ooh.
So far, so good.
That's different than before. Spinny wheel. Hey, no more artifacting.
Nope.
Look at that. Riley the Repairman does it again.
Yep.
Alright guys, you saw it here. If you need your graphics cards fixed or your RTX cards on your laptops fixed, we're the people to bring it to. Tekkies. Like, subscribe, and you're welcome to be taking mail-in repairs as well. Y'all have a great night.